Many times when employees submit expense requests for approval, they have to supply supporting documents via email to the request approver. How can we streamline this with HelpStream? Glad you asked. At this skill station, which is the final one in this learning line, we are going to learn how to do that. So let's start by accessing our workstream. Select your stream, go to your stream definition canvas, and unlock the stream. We will start by editing our request data component. So open that up, go to the Fields tab, and add a new field called Supporting Documents. This field will contain information of the type file attachment, so select that in the pull-down menu. Save the field, and save the data component. Next, let's edit the request form. Open that up, and in the available fields on the right side of the screen, you will see the Supporting Documents component field available. Grab it with your mouse and drag it over into the form. In the Supporting Documents configuration pop-up, let's add a hint for the end user. So in the field hint, type in a hint that will be displayed on the user's screen, such as, please supply necessary documents for facilitating approval of this request. Make the field required by selecting that from the Field Attributes pull-down menu. And since this is a field file, you can set a maximum number of files that can be attached by a user underneath this field attributes. So we're going to set the max of 5 by typing that in here into the number of files field. Save your changes, and save your changes to the request form. Every workstream in HelpStream comes with 2 out-of-the-box starter email templates that cannot be deleted. However, they can be customized. As you see in your components catalog in the email template section, we have our 2 starter out-of-the-box email notifications. The record creation email simply informs someone that a new record has been created. It comes with a link to that record inside of the email template. The task assigned notification email template is used whenever a task is created. When this email template is used, every task owner is notified. So could we configure this standard task notification email to suit our purposes? Yes, but doing so would affect every task. So let's build a brand new task notification template instead. Hover your mouse over the email templates to reveal that new function, click on that, and in the Add Email Template pop-up, let's get started. We're going to title this Custom Task Notification Template. We can customize whom we want this email to be sent from. We have 3 options. We have Record Submitter. The email would be sent on behalf of the person who submitted the request. User present in a field. This is useful when a rejection or approval email is being sent. In that case, if an approver user is present in a field, we could use that so the email would be sent on behalf of that user. And specify here. This is useful for when you want to hard code the sender name. Specify here is the option that suits our needs today, so select that in the pull-down menu. And in the from name, type in what you want to be displayed in the email from text, such as Acme Accounting. In the from address field, type in an email address. If you want to test out the stream, I would recommend using a real email address here so you can see your changes in your inbox. The subject line will be new expense pre-approval request. In the body, create a personalized email. Use the Merge Field Value Finder tool to create dynamic emails. To access that, click on the magnifying glass icon. And in the selective field tabs, we're going to use our record metadata fields and request data component fields to personalize the body of our email. So first, let's find the request purpose. We're going to copy that merge field value, paste it into the body of the email. Next, we will find the record created by. We'll copy that. We're going to use their full name. We will copy that, paste that into the body of the email. And last but not least, we will find the request amount. Copy that and paste it into the email. And then we will write some text around that. We also want to insert a URL so the approver can click on a link to visit that record. For this purpose, Pultstream has a variety of task meta fields in the Merge Field Value Finder tool. And one of those is the meta field called Access URL. So click on your magnifying glass icon to access that. Click on the Task Meta Fields tab and scroll down to find the Access URL. Click on it, copy it, and then paste it into the body of the email. Note, task metadata fields will only work in the email templates that are used with user task step. Now, if we simply put this task URL in the email body, it might not display in all email clients as a clickable link. So to solve this problem, we are going to use a little bit of HTML. So when you're done, your email template will look like this one. We also want to send the supporting documents as attachments to this email. So scroll down and in the Attach from Contents of File and Image Attachments field, select Supporting Documents in the pull-down menu. And finally, if there are multiple PDFs attached, you can combine them all into one file. So if that satisfies your business requirements, check the box next to Combine All PDF Attachments. Save your changes to the template, and you will see it appear in your email templates in your components catalog. So before we call it a day, let's test the process. Go to the home page and submit an expense approval request by submitting a new form. And after you submit the request, you can find the records under Your Records tab in the Submitted by You tab. Select the record, click on the Attachments tab in the request to see all the attachments that were added to a request. And the email address that you specified earlier should also have received an email with the format of our email template. This concludes our visit to the Skills Station, and it also marks the end of the learning line. Ready to learn new ways to unleash your workforce? Hop on another learning line to ride the Purple Express to new skill stations. All of our use case focused lines are available on the homepage of the Purple Express.